Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll solve three important problems from chapter 9a. These three problems are very important for the exam. So please try to understand the problems properly. So from chapter 9a, question number 4. Find the total surface area of a solid cube of volume 64 centimeter cube. We know that if volume of a cube is 64 centimeter cube, then how can we find out the length from this cube? Length will be cube root of 64 centimeter. Now, we can find out the cube root of 64 by using calculator. In another process, that is, we need to find out the prime factors. So we can divide 64 by 2, that will be 32. Again, 32 by 2 will be 16. Again, 16 by 2 will be 8. Again, 8 by 2 will be 4. 4 by 2 will be 2. Then to find out the cube root, we have to take one prime factor from three prime factors. So from here, from 3 we'll get 1, 2. From 3, 2 we'll get 1, 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, that will be 4 centimeter, will be the length of this solid cube. Now, how can we find out the total surface area? So total surface area will be 6L square. That means 6 multiplied by length square. So how can we do this one? We know that in a cube, there are square. Okay. How many square are there? 6 square. And if one square, the length is L, okay, then what will be the area? We know that area will be L square. So how many L square we will get from a cube? 6 L square. Because in a cube, there are 6 faces. Okay. So 6 into L square. That means 6 multiplied by 4 square. That is 6 multiplied by 16. If we multiply 6 by 16, that will be 96 centimeter square. So this is the answer of question number 4. Now, if we look at question number 5, question number 5 says an open water tank. So what does this open water tank means? Open water tank means there is no lid in the water tank. So water tank amra jodi boli there are 6 face, then the lid, the ceiling will be missing. Okay. The question says an open water tank with length 20 centimeters. So e open water tank length will 20 centimeter, width that is 15 centimeter, and holds 4.8 liters of water. We know that liter represent volume. Okay. So 4.8 liter actually represent volume of the water. So volume will be 4.8 liter. So we know that 1 liter means 1000 centimeter cube. So if we multiply 4.8 by 1000, then we will get 4800 centimeter cube. That means in 4800 centimeter cube of container contains 4.8 liters of water. So here the important thing is that 1000 centimeter cube. If we have a container whose volume is 1000 centimeter cube, it will contain 1 liter of water. So 1 liter of water means 1000 centimeter cube of container. Okay. So 4800 centimeter cube will be the volume of this water tank. Now, we need to find out the height, calculate the height. So how can we find out the height? Height equal to volume divided by length multiplied by width. Okay. So volume is 4800 and length is 20 and width is 15. After calculating this one, we will get 16 centimeter. Okay. Now, the last part, the total surface area. So what will be the total surface area? We know that in an open water tank, there is no lid. So LW plus 2 multiplied by W into H plus H into L. Okay. So here, what is the length? Length is 20 multiplied by width is 15 plus 2 multiplied by width is 15. Height is 16 plus height is 16 and length will be 20. Now we need to calculate this one. After calculating this one, we will get our final answer. After calculating the whole thing we will get 1420 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of the cuboid in contact with the water. Okay, I hope you understand this question properly. This is very important. Now, question number 6. Question number 6 says a rectangular tank measures 4 meter long, 2 meter wide, and 4.8 meter high. So length of this rectangular tank is 4 meter, width is 2 meter, and height is 4.8 meter. Initially, it is half filled with the water. Half filled, that means volume is half volume. So what is the volume of the whole rectangular tank? So volume of the whole rectangular tank will be 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4.8 meter cube. After multiplying this one, we will get 38.4 meter cube. Now, initially it is half filled. Okay, so if this is half filled of water, then we can find out the half volume. Half volume. So half volume will be 38.4 by 2 meter cube. That means 19.2 meter cube. Okay. Now, the question says, find the depth of the water in the tank after 4,000 liter more of water are added to it. So what does that mean? Actually, suppose in this container, this is half filled. Okay. I'm just drawing it in a random way. I hope you will understand. So this is half filled of water. Okay. That is 19.2 meter cube. We will convert into liter. That will be 19,200 liter. Again, we will add 4,000 liter of water. That means this part is 4,000 liter of water. Okay. This part is 4,000 liter of water, suppose. Then we know that after adding 4,000 liter of water, the rise, that means the height, will be increased. So the question asks to find out the new depth of the water tank. Okay. So right now, 19.2 meter cube. We know that 1 meter cube of container contains 1,000 liter of water. So 19.2 meter cube of container will contain 19.2 multiplied by 1,000 liter of water. That is 19,200 liter. Okay. So half volume we have already found out. Now, after adding 4,000 liter of water, after adding 4,000 liter of water, new volume will be 19,200 plus 4,000 liter. Okay. So 0, 0, then it will be 2, 19 plus 4 will be 23. So 23,200 liter of water are there in this rectangular tank. So now if I want to find out the volume, that means this is the volume in liter, but we need to find out the container's volume. That will be 23.2 meter cube. Why? Because we need to divide the liter by 1,000 to get meter cube. Okay, so 23,200 divided by 1,000 will be 23.2 meter cube. Okay, now the final answer says find the depth of the water. So what will be the depth? So depth will be, we know that volume divided by length multiplied by width. So what is the new volume? New volume is 23.2. What is the length? Length already given, that is 4 multiplied by 2. So after dividing, we'll get 2.9 meter. Okay, that is the answer of question number 6. That means a rectangular tank that is half volume at first, then we will add 4,000 liter of water. Then what will be the new depth? This is the question. Okay, so I hope you understand this one properly. These 3 questions are very important for the exam. I hope if you practice this one properly, you will get a good marks in the upcoming exam. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.